Hello friends, welcome to TS Spoken English. We are continuing the WH questions. On that, today we are taking which ఏది తెలుగులో ఏది कोणता मराठी मध्ये कोणता कोणती कोणते हिंदी में कौन सा कौन सी कौन से. Now take the question on that one. Which party does support women reservation? वुमन रिजर्वेशन के लिए कौन सी पार्टी सपोर्ट करी? ये पार्टी सपोर्ट सिस्टम दे रिजर्वेशन को. ये पार्टी कोणती पार्टी सपोर्ट केली? ऑल पार्टीज सपोर्ट वुमन रिजर्वेशन. सभी करे रिजर्वेशन के लिए वुमन रिजर्व एक्सेप्ट एमआईएम. एमआईएम has not supported the woman reservation. Here कौन सी कौन से which एदी which woman does deliver the speech in the parliament, which independent MP does sit in the parliament. So which one तो कौन सा एदी कोणता कोणती. Take here the forms of verb. First form, here take the first form take, second form took, third form taken. Give, gave, given. Meet, made, made. Fly, flew, flown. Here we are making the sentences on the first form, not the second form. Make to understand. We are taking only on the first form. Which party does not support women reservation? MIM party does not support women reservation. Which friend meet you? My friend meets you. Which friend does meet you? Which bird does fly in the sky? Dove flies in the sky. We say like this. Which woman give bangles to other woman? Which woman does give bangles to other woman? So this is how which this is used in the simple present tense, that to the masculine gender. I am taking here the mixture because you get somewhat confusion. How we are taking the woman, how I am taking the characteristic of the male. Now suppose if you are seeing every day, that you understand what is the meaning of masculine gender, what is the meaning of feminine gender. Which uncle does meet my father? My elder uncle meets my father. Which office does he take? This office he takes. So like this you make the sentences on the present simple tense, that to WH question which के ऊपर. So friends, you don't get the confusion. See once again what I am telling about this one. Okay, this is the TS Spoken English which you see every day. I am saying you can speak fluently without break, but thing is that you by heart the forms of verb. I am repeating last 2 years, you by heart the forms of verb. Okay friends, thank you.